Yeah, okay. Hello guys, back with another video. Sorry I did not record yesterday. I just didn't have time. In this video we are on car dealership, ultimate dealership, because you know, it is the ultimate dealership. Yeah. I'm gonna be going through all of my cars. This might be 2 episodes, or videos, I don't know. But the first one, which everybody gets, literally everybody, that's what you start out with, is this. The worst car in the game. Literally it is. Then, this wasn't the second car I got. I just wanted to get it for fun. I'm pretty sure. Or not. Yeah, I just wanted this for fun. And then, after that you have the Nissan. I think this might have been the next car that I got, which I'm pretty sure. Yeah, then I got this, which this was pretty decent. But then I think one of the best starter cars has to be, which is actually really good, the Nissan Skyline. Like, this is just a really good car. So, yeah, that was the one I mostly got. I normally just buy cars for fun as well. Then I bought these two for fun, a Fred Blanco, which would actually be a tie to Amazon. Not going to show you these because they're really just boring. There's that one, which is, don't know what that would be, Ford Raptor. That was the Fion Multiply, the Halloween one. Same with that, you got that with the Halloween update. And then I got this, just for off-road. It's pretty good helmet, you know. Actually did quite like that. That's really good for off-road. Then you have the Tesla Hypertruck, which is also probably better for off-road. Don't kill me. It's gonna kill me. Oh, didn't kill me. Good. Okay. Hello, are you gonna work? Okay, well, my car's broken. Let's try that again. Oh, what the hell. There you go. This car is really good. It's a good car. Should probably be like your 5th car, probably. And then you have the Porsche Taycan. Oh, actually, the Porsche Taycan is actually a really good car. This, for drifting, is really good. Just take it around. Yeah, I was actually driving this car because it goes decently fast and it drifts really good. That's really the main reason why I got it. That's because of the drifting. You just do that. Oh, I didn't drift there, but yeah, that car's really good for drifting and quite fast. And you have the BMW S8, Lamborghini Urus, another Porsche, which this one's also pretty decent. It's faster. I'm not sure about the drifting on this, but let's try it anyway. It goes quite fast. Yeah, this actually drifts pretty well. Skirt. Yeah, there's that. Let me just get back to my place. Kind of wish that didn't happen, but what the hell? Okay. Then after that, you have the Nissan. Why did I say Nissan? Yeah, because the Nissan Gtr is right there. I'm getting a Hurricane, another really good car, you know. I do change the colours of my cars quite frequent. Well, this car's actually okay. I feel like the drag races is good, but for like turning, it's not the best. So the thing is, if you don't drift, then this is what happens. You just crash. Just gonna jump out here. Next we have the Nissan Gtr, which again I just bought for fun. I didn't actually buy it as I was going, and when I was driving this, it is actually an okay car. Not the best at drifting. Then the Ferrari, which I won in the Christmas update. This one going on right now. That's how I got this one. This car is actually pretty decent. What does this man want? Leave now. Can't hear me. Just want him to leave. Then you have the Audi. No, not Audi. What did I say? Audi. Aston Martin. Don't know what type that is. The McLaren. Ferrari. McLaren again. Tesla. This car is pretty decent. Get the spoiler. Most people don't realize if you play this game, go into settings and put spoiler off and put that as a tick. Yeah, this car is really good. See that then and then. Yeah, pick up these presents for the Ferrari that I just shown. Tampa, Florida. Yeah. 3 minutes left. Okay. What happened there? This guy also on a Nissan. No, oh, that guy's in the Nissan Skyline. This is a really good car. The Porsche 918 was really sad. Do not get this car. In Forza Horizon 4, this is a really good car. In Roblox, no, not at all. This is not a good car. Maybe they revamped it, because this does actually seem a bit better. Just go to a run one time. Then you've all actually seen these two, because I drive them quite a lot. I'll show you the Aston Martin actually. It's quite a good car. But yes, dude. It's, well, actually, I don't even know. I think this guy wants a race. But little does he know I'm recording a video. Now one of the other cars was this Ferrari. This Ferrari is actually quite good for the money. Okay, I'm pretty sure I just bought this one for fun as well. But yeah. Then, whoops. Yeah, you have the McLaren. This one's actually quite good as well. This is the McLaren P1, I believe. Oh no, or is that the, oh my. Oh, dead car now. No, this is the P1, I believe. Oh no, this is 720. Oh, no, I'm pretty sure in real life it's 750. So this is also a pretty good car. I think out of my whole collection, my favorite car. It's kind of hard because it's not actually even between Aston and Vulcan. Yeah, it's a good car. It's a really good car, but it's probably between these two. And yeah, actually, well, I'm pretty much out of time. Bro, what car is this? I want this car, but goodbye, guys. I will see. Oh, for God's sake. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, so 26 seconds. Dismissed, I don't care. But this is my best car for free. 75.9. Yeah, goodbye guys, and I will see you in the next video.